guys, today we are going to teach you how to do a very soft and delicious brownie.
Now we will grab the ingredients. Here we have 70% cocoa powder, flour, melted butter, sugar, and eggs.
Now, break all the eggs into a huge bowl. Now, add sugar. Mix it really well because this is what will make your brownie have the crunchy crust. Now, add the melted butter. After mixing, add the cocoa powder. Mix it again, but this time is harder than the other time we mixed the dough. After that, add the flour. And again, mix it. Now, grease a oven-safe pan. Put and spread the dough on it. Put it in the oven. When it's ready, remove carefully. Now you have a very soft and delicious brownie, so you don't have to crave it anymore. You can just eat it. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends this amazing video. Plus, don't forget to turn on notifications so you can see if we posted more recipes like this one.